Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Mahi coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 31 degrees. We are expecting a high of 45 and a low of 31 with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
David, Sarah.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Clubs meeting today are Room 107 students, Craft Club in Room 106 at 11 o'clock, Green Thumb Club Group C in Room 112 at 11:20, PBIS Ambassadors in the Music Room at 11:45, Gems Club in Room 121 at 3 o'clock, Coders Club will not be meeting today, and tomorrow morning, 3rd and 4th grade Chess Club will be meeting in the library at 7:45. This morning, we are having an assembly presented by the Science Alliance. Listen for an announcement for your scheduled time to come to the gym. Tonight is STEM night in the Hoover gym for kindergarten through 2nd grade, brought to you by the DuPage Children's Museum. Come to see the presentations from 5:30 until 7. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that there's a building that looks like a bulldozer? In Turlock, California, there is a 2-story tall yellow building resembling a bulldozer that holds the offices of a company that sells and rents heavy construction machinery. The bulldozer building looks like it is using the blade to push a large pile of dirt and rocks into the equipment yard. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 1st graders in Room 105. Have a terrific Tuesday.